welcome back to the review show. I'm Justin, that's Nick. We've got another Ruzzo, dude.
Dude, these are so fire. If you guys saw our last video, I love these guys. I'd be surprised if there's one of these I didn't like. Just the base of all of them being citrus. Ah, fuck. They're so good.
They're working on some NA stuff, like soda stuff.
Oh, interesting. Stuff. Okay.
So be on the lookout.
I bet that'd be good.
They haven't released it yet, and they haven't made it yet, but it's in the works, so they can have a cool soda line that's just as good as this.
That's pretty cool. So this is Ruzzo.
6.5% across the board. This one is the Apricot Guava, dude.
Yeah, the last one was fire. I'm expecting this one to be really good. Guava and Apricot, in my opinion, are one of those that can be overpowering.
Yep.
But if they're good, they're good.
They're both very on the sweeter end, so I hope these two mesh well together. Right. I may have tried this one off the kegs, like off their things there. I think this is one of the ones I tried. I can't remember because there was a lot of drinking that day. Out of Damascus, Oregon.
This job is so hard.
It's so hard, dude. Everything we drink is hard. Hey, Behind the Brew episode coming out soon with Ruzzo, so stay tuned for that.
Way lighter scented on this one. I'm not getting a lot of scent.
A nice bright color with this one.
Even out of the can. I'm not getting much. It's pretty light smelling, which could be good.
More, a little guava scent?
A little bit. It's light.
It's more, I guess that's apricot. It's very citrus forward.
All right.
There it is. Whoa. Very tart.
It's tart, but it's like
sour.
Almost like a little, not creamy, but like, again, they have a good balance.
Great balance.
It's tart, but it like kind of teeters back to not. It's good, man. Can't handle it, pussy.
Acidic. It's pretty acidic. This one is.
I like it though.
But yeah, for both of those flavors, you get a good mesh of both of them. Kind of a sweetness from the guava. The apricot adds that citrus, that acidic aftertaste to it. And Nick is gonna start taking his clothes off.
Oh, sorry. Oh, fuck, sorry. I got lost in the Ruzzo. Oh, man. Yeah, this is absolutely fire.
Again, no alcohol flavor, which is fantastic.
Whatsoever.
Refreshing.
It's not at all. Like, with ciders, sometimes you get that very, like, fermented apple alcohol thing going on.
Pokes through, like,
It's super strong in a lot of them. There's none of that.
Across the board, anyone we've tasted has just been a smooth, refreshing drink.
It is the least alcoholic craft brewed thing I've ever tried.
That's very true.
Because, like, I love Backside strawberry lemon seltzer. It is so good. I buy them all the time. I love it. It's my favorite seltzer. But they taste like alcohol.
Yeah, you get some alcohol flavor.
It tastes like alcohol,
sure.
which is fine.
6.5.
You can get in fucking trouble with these. Like, get
you can
in
drink
trouble.
them and drink them and drink them.
It's just like a carbonated juice. It's so good. Fire. Ratings?
I'll go a 7.9 on this one.
Yeah, I'm kind of with you. It is really good. I don't like it as much as the last one, but I'm still gonna give it a.
This one's based on our flavor profile. All around, it's exactly what it says. Is apricot guava.
Yeah,
it's delicious.
Absolutely.
So for that, it's up there.
Yeah. I'm gonna probably go like an 8.1.
Okay.
It's still really good.
Yeah,
it's just not quite. I just don't like it quite as much as the last one. Not to say it's bad by any means. But like, if you put one of each in front of me, I'm gonna pick the other one.
Yeah, for sure.
But yeah, super good.
Giving it.
Check these guys out. Follow them on Instagram so you can see what they're up to. We have a premiere party coming up for the Behind the Brew, which it is the end of April now. By the time you see this, it'll probably be the beginning of May. Yeah.
So yeah, towards the end of the month, stay tuned to our Instagram and Facebook so you can see when these premiere parties are. Show up and have some fun.
They're a blast. We have music, there's booze, there's food. It's a great time. Bring your friends.
By the way, food, they have a Mexican food cart right there.
Whoa.
They make some fire food.
Hispanic American.
Whatever, dude. If you like nachos, they make some fire nachos.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Dave got a burrito, and he was loving the shot of it.
Hell yeah.
They have a permanent spot there in the corner. So you're gonna have food. You're gonna have delicious freaking Ruzzo.
Yeah, absolutely.
So
maybe bring a DD.
Good idea.
Bring yourself a driver.
Good idea. Hey, and if your wife likes flowers, they have a whole nursery right next door. Like literally on the same building. So
that's pretty cool.
You can buy her a flower while you're drinking some Ruzzo.
Get hammered and spend too much on flowers.
Hell yeah, dude.
Woo! We'll see you next. Thanks for coming.